हेलो गाइस, माय नेम इज युवराज सिंह राठौड़ और आज मैं आप सबके लिए कहानी लेकर आया हूँ। वेल, most of you might be thinking that too, you're an artist. What kind of a story are you gonna tell us? So let me clarify one thing. I know I am an artist and not a storyteller to be specific. That's why I'm giving this work on to someone else. And you know who it is? It's my art. जैसा कि आप लोग जानते हैं, मैं आप सब लोगों को एक कहानी सुनाने वाला हूं और वो कहानी केवल एक इंसान की नहीं, एक ऐसी शख्सियत की है जिसे हम सदी का महानायक या सुपरस्टार ऑफ द सेंचुरी के नाम से जानते हैं। जी हाँ, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट नन अदर दैन श्री अमिताभ बच्चन सर। Amitabh Bachchan sir is not only an actor but an inspiration to many people across country. He has seen the best and the worst and has yet maintained a demeanor that appeals to one and all. Amitabh Bachchan was born on 11th October 1942. His first given name was Inkalab Srivastav, then he adapted his father's pen name that was Bachchan and his name ended up being Amitabh Bachchan. Despite of such a heavy name, it was all his raw strength in terms of willpower and determination that made such a great name even greater. He is considered as the superstar of the century and has appeared in over 200 films in a career spanning more than 5 decades. Bachchan is widely regarded as one of the greatest and the most influential actors in the history of Indian cinema, especially in 1970s to 1980s. The French director Franklin Truffaut called it the one-man industry. Now everyone knows how big he is, and there are a lot of things that could be imbibed from his life. The things that had really inspired me the most, I'm gonna discuss those. Number 1. Be strong. All was not smooth for this icon when he had begun his career 40 years ago. His deep voice was rejected by All India Radio and movie makers rejected him because of his height. And even after he debuted in Bollywood, a string of flops marred his career prospects. Bachchan, however, remained strong and determined to make a mark in industry. He took up roles that were next to lead roles just to be in the limelight. The fact that he went through a lot of hardships before becoming successful is definitely a point to remember for everyone. Second, never lose hope. The man tasted immense success in 80s and then came a period that would give any man jitters. He was out of work, his company had gone capered, he was embroiled in a legal battles along with authorities hounding him for recovery of taxes. However, he did not lose hope. Instead, he at the age of 57 went looking for work. His positive attitude has helped him sail through difficult times. Number 3. Value everyone. Bachchan is probably the only actor who can connect with the youngest to oldest in a room. Because of the fact that he values everyone along with his charisma makes him the most favorite among generations. His down-to-earth personality has enamored many people across the world, which truly makes him the people's man. Number 4. Never say never. We have seen him playing totally different characters, from angry young man in Agnipath to a boy with a genetic disorder in Pa. The man is known for his versatility but also for the fact that he is ready to experiment even at this stage of his career. His receptiveness to the new ideas has only added to his brand appeal. And at last, anything you do it in your own way. It is extremely important to create your own niche in whichever industry you belong to. Amitabh Bachchan, with his deep voice, had created an angry young man image that will always be remembered. So whatever you do, ensure you do it differently, because that helps you make a mark in people's minds. At the end, I would like to conclude this video with the poem written by his father Shri Harivansh Rai Bachchan sir. और ये कविता स्वतंत्रता की लड़ाई के वक्त भारतीय नौजवानों को प्रेरित करने के लिए लिखी गई थी। लेकिन हमारा ऐसा मानना है कि एक कवि के वक्तव्य को हर एक पीढ़ी के द्वारा आत्मसात किया जा सकता है और इससे प्रेरणा ली जा सकती है। इस कविता का शीर्षक है अग्निपथ। जी, अग्निपथ अग्निपथ अग्निपथ। वृक्ष हो भले खड़े, हो बड़े हो घने, एक पत्र छाह भी मांग मत मांग मत मांग मत। अग्निपथ अग्निपथ अग्निपथ। तू न थकेगा कभी, तू न मुड़ेगा कभी, तू न झुकेगा कभी। कर शपथ कर शपथ कर शपथ। अग्निपथ अग्निपथ अग्निपथ। ये महान दृश्य है, चल रहा मनुष्य है, अश्रु श्वेत रक्त से लथपथ लथपथ लथपथ। अग्निपथ अग्निपथ अग्निपथ। So this is it from our side guys in this week's video. If you like the video, please do subscribe to our channel, hit that like button and comment down your love below. Also don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you never ever miss out to the crazy updates. Thanks for watching.